Right now, I'm on my Pixel Lab. So let's practicalize what we've just learned from the introductory part of the class. Okay, so the first thing I will do now is I will come to my gallery from gallery. So let's use this as our masking. Let's say you can see this man. If you are looking at the design, I'm very sure that you've seen a lot of design like this online, probably on Facebook and Pinterest and all that. Okay. If you see this kind of design, be like this thing is not achievable, or probably it is hard, it's not hard. Very, very simple. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us on how to achieve this kind of design, how to blend an object inside an object, because this question mark that you are seeing now is standing like an object as well. Okay, so let's see how we can actually blend, or you want to blend a picture together with text. You want to make it to be like to blend it together, something that is impossible. Like, how did they do it? How did they achieve this? You too can achieve it. Let's go right into it. So I want to use this to as a sample. So what I would do, let's change the background. I want to change my background to white. Okay, so I'm having white background now. All right. So the next thing I would do is I will come to my text, look for question mark. Okay, just put question mark. All right. Come, you can see your question mark will be very small. All right. So after that, make it bigger like this. Increase it as as much as possible. All right. So from there you go into your font. Okay, so look for a bolder font, a font that you can select that will make that okay, I think I've selected one now. All right, I think I have this. It's even similar to what we're having here. Okay, good. I think we can go with this. All right, so I've selected the font. Let me put my font like this. Okay, very good. All right, now the next thing you need to do is that okay, let me move this to this side. Okay, all right, let's put this at the center. Let's centralize it. I want to make this video as short as possible, but I wanted to get it. I wanted to catch up. Let me try to reduce the size of this one so that it will allow me. All right, so now the next thing we want to do is to make this look at something. I want to do something. There are two ways I can achieve this guy. The first way is that I'm going to use another plane. Okay, another plane background like this. Let me put this at the at the center. Can centralize it. Okay, it's covering that question mark. Let's come to layer, bring your question mark to the top, bring it to the front. All right, now you've brought it to the front. The next thing you need to do is to actually um change okay, let's change the color of this one first. Please follow carefully, don't be confused. Okay, all right, so let's change this. Let's say for instance we want to use black on this. Let's just put this first like this. Okay, we want to achieve something. Okay, now the next thing is that we will change the color of this question mark to white. I want to change the first method. Okay, now if I this thing that you are seeing now, I will now go and merge it. So you merge both the black shape, merge the black shape and the question mark together. All right, so this is how to merge. Okay, good. So we've merged it. Now I've merged it. Now what I will do is that I will now come to erase color. Palm. Now do you know that as this, like, can you see that I've erased the background? Can you see? All right, now the next thing I will now do is that I will come to my let me come to my gallery. I want to pick the guy as my picture, the picture that I will use. This is very, very simple and amazing. All right. So I think I have a picture like that. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, I think I can still use, though I've removed the background of this guy, but we can still use it. And in a case where you have not removed the background, you can still use it. It's still the same thing. All right. So what I will do now is that let me reduce this more. Sorry, let me reduce this more. Okay. Now let me put this like this. Okay, I think I still need to remove it so that, okay, let's put it this way. Now I will now put this guy like this. I want to put this guy like this. Okay, now before I would do that, what I'm going to do now is that I want to um change the color background. I want to change the color background. Or let's put it this way. Let me use this color. You can just use any color. We want to achieve something. Everything will come back to normal. All right. So I've merged these together. I've merged the shape and this question mark together. So what I will do now is that I will now come to this to this button. I want to change the color of this now to white. Change it to white. Good. So I'm changing it to white now. All right. So I can actually have this. So what I will do now is that I want to bring this guy. Sorry. Let's reduce this so that everything will not be tamper with each other. Okay. So we are still going to masking. All right. So what I will do now is that I will now bring this one to the front. Let's position it very well. Let's say for instance I want this guy to be like this. Position the guy very well. Okay. Now put it like that. Now come to this, centralize it to, okay, then come to the front. All right, can you see something now? Let's adjust it very well. Let's put it this way. Put it this way. Okay. Now let's say for instance, okay, let's put it this way. Oh, let's use it this way. Okay. I want to see how I can actually, okay. I don't want to stretch this much. Let me just leave it. I'm trying to, okay, let me reduce the body of this guy. Then move it up. Okay. Now put it this way. I want it to be like this. Okay. You do the positioning first. Okay. You want the guy to be like this. Then I still want to increase the guy. I still want to increase the guy because I want the head of that guy to come out. Okay. So what I will do now is that uh let me bring this one to the back. Okay. Now this guy, let's say I want the guy to be like this. Okay, so I will now increase coming. Let me off the data for interruption. Okay. um Let me do it like this. Okay, good. So I want the guy to just watch me carefully. All right, I want the guy to be like this. I want it to be like this. All right, so what I will do now is that I will take the guy to the back. I'll take the guy. Let's take the guy to the back first. Let's put it this way. Sorry, there's something that I would have actually done coming. I want to see how I can make it. Actually adjust it this way. Okay. Okay, good. Let's use this now. Let's use this now. Okay, so what I will do is I want to take the guy to the back. Take the guy to the back. All right, so as you can see it now, you see that what I need is to make sure that if you look at the sample that we're actually using, you see that the body, let's reduce this body small so that you can, okay, I think increase the body small. Okay, let's have this. All right, so I want to bring the guy to be like this. Let the guys be like, don't worry, I want to do something. I'll still do something. The guy be like this or something like of this nature. Okay, it's okay like this. So I will now cut. I want to cut some part out now. So just watch me carefully as we are going to be the making use of our um okay. So we want to make use of our mask tool now. Make use of the mask tool. Okay. Let me increase this guy small. Okay. So don't worry about what you are seeing. We are still building it now. Um so let me have this. Let me say I want to go with this. So to make everything easier, let put this. Let's have shape. Okay, before I will have the shape, let's cut now. So I want to cut the marks now. The marks, I want to cut the guy out now. So what I will do is to come to mask. Okay, so this is your mask now. Like I was explaining, that mask allow, if you press this enable, can you see that some part has gone? If you take it out, it will be normal. Now if you press enable, the this aspect that the thing is covering, that your mask is covering, has gone, meaning that it's in inside. If you press outside, it will come out, the other one will go. Can you see how masking is working now? All right, so we also have this, that is bezier. Can you see what I explained? Bezier mode. Okay, max mode. Can you see max mode here? Can you see bezier mode here? All right, so then we also have actions. All right, so let's say for instance we want to, okay, we want to leave this like this. Okay, let's increase it up. Increase it up. Okay, are you with me now? All right, so we can, oh, because we want this part to be inside. All right, good. So now let's click OK. This one is actually okay. So what you do now is to now copy. You now copy this thing again, put it on the same size the way it is. Now you have copied and it has come out. So now what we need to do, we will still go back to mask to get the upside mask. Now come, can you see exactly what we just achieved now? Very simple as ABC. So just click OK. Now I want to make it to be the, what's it called, to be, to full the page. Let's delete this out. Masking is very simple. You just need to be meticulous about it. You just need to be meticulous about it. Very simple. All right, so let's click this to get, we want to make it okay. I want the, I want to have white background all through. That's what I'm trying to do now. Okay, so let's click this, copy this, put it this way. Okay, now copy this again, reduce this more, turn it like this. Okay, put it like this. Now send this one to the back. Can you see now? You have sent it to the back, sorry. Send it to the back. So the one that you just sent to the back now, sorry. So the one you just sent to the back, I'm coming. Yes. Okay. I think the one I sent to back is not supposed to be okay. So this is what I want to have. Then this one, let's reduce this one small. I want to reduce it so that we can, sorry, because I didn't lock all these things, that's why it's actually giving me this. Let's lock some. Let's lock this, lock this, lock this, lock this, lock this, lock this. Okay, so it is important that when you are working like this, you lock it so that everything will not be okay. So now what to do is to take it to the back. Can you see? All right, so try to adjust. Good. Now that same one, copy again, put it like this. So we've actually achieved what we want. So you can even put this like this. Then everything that you're having here, you merge them together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're having 7 objects for this work. So merge. All right, so it's actually merge. Can you see? We've merged everything together like this. So this particular background that you are seeing at the back of this guy is the same background that we have. So if I come to background now, if I come to background and I begin to change, can you see? So the background will also be changing. Can you see? Can you see? So it is not advisable that you use black and to use white again. White will not be, it will not come out. We will not know that you mask anything. So can you see? This is how to mask. So just be changing the background, then the background of that particular work will also be changing. Now, you cannot change background if the picture you use, I'm changing the background and the background is changing because the picture that I use, the picture of this guy looking that I use doesn't have background. I used in one of my design. So I've actually removed the background before. Okay. So now that me, I've actually removed the background, you can also try to remove the background, or you bring in a picture like this that doesn't have that you have not removed the background. If you have not removed the background, it means that you have a static background. Your background will not be changing this way. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, right, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to all my social media, and we'll see you in the next class. Tell me, which color should I use? You can see that all the colors we're having here are actually going. Let's go with our initial color, which is this. All right, so now you go to your save. You can save as project. And save as project now, I will say masking. I just put masking. Okay, then say I've saved as project. So if you come to this logo, this particular logo that I'm clicking, come to my project, you see masking. Now look at something. You can see that something has happened to this work. This masking did not save very well, so I'll have to delete it. I'm just showing you something that some of the time things like this happen on Pixellab. So you come back again and say still save again. You can still call it masking again. Can call it, I think we have one masking already. Okay, and put this like this. All right, so can you see that this is the complete masking that has been saved already? That's good. Okay, so now we now save as image. You can actually save your work as image, but before then, let's do something. Right, for me here, change the color of this your text. Right, for me here, masked by Eagle Creative Design. So you write your own name there. Okay, write your own name. Okay, so just put it somewhere around there, just as a name of the designer. All right, so that's that about that. So I can actually save as, okay, I can save as image now. So you come, I always recommend ultra, because when you save your work as ultra, it's on the high quality. You want to be sending it on WhatsApp, on social media, and all this social media reduce the quality of image. So when you save as ultra, no matter how they want to resist it, people will not notice. It will not be blur. All right, so that's that about that. See you in the next class. Thank you.